Welcome people, it's your girl Chrissy and I am back with another video. Today I am collaborating with MEFA. They are a brand on Amazon that sells everything you will need to get the perfect gel polish nail set. And today we're going to be talking about this perfect 42+5 gel polish set. The packaging was cute, the polishes were secured. Let's talk about it, okay? This set is great for beginners. It has a variety of colors, plus it came with an extra 5 polish, which was the primer, base, 2 top coats, which is, you know, your regular matte and your glossy top coat, as well as a glitter top coat, which a lot of these Amazon brands sets, they don't come with that. So I thought this set was very unique because of that. This set is called A Bestie, and I'm going to show you guys a few of their colors so you can see, you know, what we're working with. So I am going to try a nude color, a darker color, their glitter color, as well as their glitter top coat, just so you can see the consistency and look of it. So here I'm just going in with the base. I don't normally do that when I had tips on, but I said, you know what, this is a full review. We're gonna go in and do everything. I love how on the polishes they have a little QR barcode on the top so you can scan it to get the color, you know, if you want to repurchase it. So I thought that was super cute. For the most part, all the colors applied really smooth. They were easy to work with. I mean, of course the pink was buildable because it was nude, a lighter color, but when I went in with the purple, I did not need to coat that 3 times. 2 times was enough, especially when I was doing a nail art on that nail. So it applied real smooth. For the glitter, I wanted to see how opaque it would be, and I was gonna do like an ombre, but then I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna do my index finger in full pink glitter. So later on in the video you will see that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just continue to watch, and if you are interested in this set, I will leave the link down below to where you can find them on Amazon. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you did like this set, please give it a big fat thick thumbs up. It's your girl Chrissy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for. Want dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. me for real.